in a wedding, for example, you can't just get so blazed that you need to go to sleep, So I made a lot of CBD oils, CBD butter. And then on the THC side, just a little bit of THC through the entire course, but then a lot of eating the bud in the green state without being decarboxylated, which means it's just really kind of like a vegetable in a way, a flower. And it doesn't get you high, but it gets you aware. If you're starting in a course, a 7-course, and you have consumed a total of 20, 30 milligrams, let's say, of THC, I would make a dessert with probably 50, 60, 70, 80 milligrams of CBD at the end. It's really important because CBD balances THC. So if you consume just a little more of CBD on top of the THC, it kind of balances you out and it doesn't get you too high.